Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is such a long overdue video, but today we'll be getting a classic facial with dermaplaning. I haven't received a facial in such a long time, but I just knew my skin needed this little reset because I have a ton of peach fuzz. Plus I've been experiencing some breakouts, so I said, hey, why not get a facial? Now, this isn't my first facial and this isn't the first time that I am dermaplaning, but it has been some time since the last time I did get a facial plus dermaplaning. I typically get a facial done by my girl Shannon. I've been rocking with her for such a long time. Shannon has been with me since the beginning of my skincare journey, especially when I had a lot of cystic acne and scarring, and I will definitely insert a picture here for you guys to see. We have done chemical peels together, hydrofacials, acne facials, classic facials. We've done a lot, but today we'll be getting a classic facial, and it is one of my favorite facials because it's pretty gentle on my skin. It is a 50-minute facial that deep cleans and exfoliates my skin. It comes with an enzyme mask treatment, extractions, eye, lip support, sun protection, and more. And I'm very excited to document this journey with you guys because, as you guys know, I am also on a skincare journey along with my hair care journey. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you're also on a skincare journey, let me know how that is going. Enjoy! All right, y'all, so it is the day after my dermaplaning slash facial, and let me show you guys how my skin is looking. I had to zoom in so you guys can see. So this is how my skin is looking. This morning I did wash my face before I went to the gym, but I didn't apply any products. So I'm going to show you guys my routine after the gym. I don't plan on washing my face again, only because I didn't sweat in the gym, but I will go in with my Tower 28 SOS spray. So that should really do the job, but I'm gonna rinse my face off with some water and then dry it, and then we'll go into my skincare routine. So yesterday after my dermaplaning session, my esthetician recommended me not to wash my face yesterday, so I didn't do that. So this morning, I know I said I didn't put any product on my face, but all I did is I went in with my La Roche-Posay Hydrating Cleanser, and then I also used the moisturizer that I am going to use again right now. So I have been using this Hydrating Cleanser for some time now, so this is nothing new in my routine. I actually use this every morning, and then this is also the moisturizer that I use every morning. I really love this moisturizer because it doesn't make my face oily, and it just gets the job done for like a good morning routine. So she also recommended me to not use any actives on my face. So I'm a little bit nervous to use my toner. I'm not too sure if I should use it. I feel like I shouldn't have any issue with using it. This is a toner from Good Molecules. It is their niacinamide brightening toner. And then after I use the toner, I am gonna go in with my hypochlorous acid from Tower 28. Specifically got this because I knew I was gonna be getting a facial and dermaplaning, and this actually helps kill bacteria. And then for my serums, I am going to go in with the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum along with their Daily Brightening Serum. Again, these two serums I use in the morning only. So my routine is fairly the same. Honestly, the only thing that will probably be different is the hypochlorous acid, because it's not something that I use often, but it's something that I use when I need it. So yeah, and then like I said, I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. So for my toner, I do like to use these pads right here to get off any excess residue on my skin from washing it. Sometimes I'll pat it on my skin, but majority of the time I like to go in and just use the toning pad. So okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Tower 28 SOS spray. All right, next is the hyaluronic acid. So I think I'm gonna put it in my hands. When I tell y'all my skin is literally soaking this up. All right, y'all, 5 minutes is done. We're gonna go in with my Daily Brightening Serum. Also, I'm looking for some really good hydrating sheet mask. If you guys have any recommendations, I need one that's really good, really hydrating, and is not gonna irritate my skin because I do have sensitive skin. So if you guys have any recommendations, I like to let my eye patches sit under my eye for about 15 minutes. So we're gonna set the timer. All right, guys, so 15 minutes has passed. All right, and then last but not least, we're gonna go on with the moisturizer. All right, skincare routine is done, and this is how my skin is looking.